Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. I welcome you all in the online Google Classroom, and today in your science lesson, we are going to discuss textbook pages 102 and 103 of unit number 9, Energy, Motion and Force. And during this lesson, you will be able to learn what is sound, okay? This one is page 102 and this is 103 which we are going to discuss today. But first of all, let's have a brief recap of our previous lesson, what we have discussed about sound. Sound is a form of energy, and when an object vibrates, it makes sound. And what is meant by vibrate? I told you. Let me tell you once again. Vibrate means move quickly back and forth. And sources of sound are all around us as shown in the picture. Okay. Drum is here. It makes sound. Cat, okay, and a car and a mobile phone as well, and many other examples are there as well. Now move on to page 102. What is given over here? Pitch. It may be a new word for you, but let's see what it is. Pitch means how high or low a sound is, and pitch is one way to describe sound, okay? And an object that vibrates quickly makes a sound with a high pitch. On the other hand, an object that vibrates slowly makes a sound with a low pitch. Okay? Have a look at this picture. It's a guitar. A guitar makes a sound when you pluck its strings, as a man is doing in the picture. And the pitch is high when the strings vibrate quickly. But the pitch is low when the strings vibrate slowly. Okay? So, what is pitch? Recall once again. Pitch is how high or low a sound is. And if an object vibrates fast, it makes a high pitch sound, for example, a small bell. But if an object vibrates slow, it makes a low pitch sound, for example, a large drum. Okay? Now, question is here for you. Think about it for a while. What happens if you plug stretched rubber bands? What happens? The rubber bands will vibrate? Yes, they will, and make sounds. Okay, very easy. Now move on to page 103. It is about volume. Volume means how loud or soft a sound is, and it is another way to describe sound. Okay. Now look at this picture carefully. Suppose you hit a drum very hard. The drum would vibrate strongly, yes, and the drum would make a loud sound, and the sound would have a lot of energy. Okay. Another picture is here. Suppose you lightly tap a drum. The drum would vibrate weakly and the drum would make a soft sound, and the sound would not have much energy. Okay. So loudness or volume. What is volume? Volume is the loudness or the softness of a sound, and loud sounds use a lot of energy and soft sounds use a little energy. For example, the harder a drum is hit, the more the drum will vibrate. The more an object vibrates, the louder the sound it makes. Okay? Now, an activity is here for you about pitch and volume. Use your voice to make sound. Okay? And have your partner or any friend describe the pitch and volume of the sound. What is pitch? Pitch means how high or low a sound is, and volume means how loud or soft a sound is. Fine? Now, I am going to assign you some questions which you people are going to do with me right now. Okay? Do question number 4 and 5 on textbook page 102. Okay. Move to page 102 of your textbook. Let me read question number 4 for you. Read about pitch, then draw and label any musical instrument that vibrates to make a sound. A box is given here. In this box, you have to draw any musical instrument that vibrates or move quickly back and forth to make a sound. But you can draw over here a drum, guitar, flute or a tuba. Okay. Question number 5. Look and with a partner, take the instrument that has a low pitch and cross the instrument that has a high pitch. Then complete the sentences using the word given in the word bank. Okay. Look at the first picture. It's a tuba. Yes, it is. And it has a low pitch. So tick the first box, first picture, and look at the blank now. A tuba vibrates. What will come over here? Slowly or quickly? slowly. Okay. Now next picture. A flute vibrates quickly. Yes. And you have to cross this box. Okay. We have discussed question number 6 in the think part, but let's discuss it once again. What happens if you plug stretched rubber bands? The rubber bands will vibrate and make sounds. Okay. Now you also have to do question number 7 and 8 on textbook page number 103. Let me read question number 7 for you. Why does the tool in the picture make a loud sound? Read and take the correct answer. Look at the picture. This tool or a machine makes a loud sound. Okay. And some options are there. First option, the tool does not vibrate. The tool vibrates strongly or the tool vibrates lightly. So you have to tick the second option. The tool vibrates strongly. This is the correct answer. Okay. Question number 3. Draw something else that makes a loud sound. So in the given box, you have to draw anything that makes a loud sound. But you can draw over here. Think about it for a while. Okay, let me tell you. You may draw any animal that makes a loud sound. Which animal you can draw? Yes, you can draw a lion. You may draw an elephant. You may draw any vehicle over here, like an engine or an ambulance. You may draw any machine over here as well. Okay, and one machine is shown in the above picture. Okay, now I am going to assign you homework. Okay, what to do in the homework? Let me tell you. Read textbook pages 102 and 103 and answer the question. You may answer the question on notebook, but if notebook is not available with you, you may answer this question on loose sheet. It's up to you. But do the homework very nicely and be careful about your handwriting. Okay, students? Now let me read the question for you. What is the question? Define pitch and volume. You have to define pitch and volume. Let me tell you once again what is pitch. Pitch means how high or low a sound is. Pitch means how high or low a sound is. Next one, volume. Volume means how loud or soft a sound is. Volume means how loud or soft a sound is. Hope you can do your homework easily now. And if you want to know more about pitch and loudness of sound, you may follow this given YouTube link. Okay, my dear students, take good care of yourself, stay home and stay safe. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.